Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, we are tracking a lot of cold fronts, a few warm fronts, but what about any precipitation, winter or otherwise? Let's go through all of this here for today. Well, we're starting around 10 degrees, 11 degrees, and there's snow on radar, but it is not reaching the ground. That is virga, precipitation that evaporates before reaching the ground. And look at that near Rapid City at 7 a.m. on Sunday. It's near 40 there. That warm sector is going to clip us today, and it'll mainly be from here westward. We'll be in the 50s out in western Kansas. We will make it into the 30s, but then here we go this evening, an Arctic blast. The winds will switch to the north, and here comes the Arctic air. We may have a snow flurry or two, but the main chance of snow by later tonight and tomorrow morning will be in western Kansas, eastern Colorado. Could be a couple inches there, and then in the Great Lakes. So let's take a closer look at this as we go into the afternoon. 37 here, and the winds are swinging around to the northwest, and that cold front will get here this evening, and then by tomorrow morning, temperatures will be in the single digits above zero, wind chills minus 10 to 0. Yeah, it is going to be frigid tomorrow morning. Then as we go into the afternoon, it'll be right around 23, a little westerly breeze. And look at tomorrow night. At midnight, a little south wind, temperature stays around 20, but there's another little front that comes in, and it drops into the teens, low teens to near 10 by Tuesday. But that is not much of a front. Look at by Tuesday afternoon. It's back to a south wind. So between today and Tuesday, there's two fronts, two cold fronts, two warm fronts, but not much precipitation. Look, on Tuesday, it could be near 50 at Emporia to 34 in Milan. Will be in the low 40s. And on the bigger picture on Tuesday, you get 50s out in the western part of Kansas. This is the Arctic air back up into the Great Lakes. But here we go to Wednesday. A front will come through, but it keeps the Arctic air way up to the north. So we'll still be in the 40-ish range. Upper 30s, low 40s, maybe a little bit of snow up there near I-80. Then on Thursday, it starts to get a little more interesting. We have still 30s and 40s here. And there's Arctic air lurking to the north, and there's a front poised and ready to come down. And on Friday and Saturday, it's a little complex. There's a low pressure in southwest Kansas, a little warm front here, and the front from the north came south, and then another Arctic front. And there's a little area of snow, Iowa, Missouri. The details on this have been changing every day, almost every model run, which is every 6 hours. Regardless of how it evolves, it doesn't look like much of a storm, but if we're going to see any snow or winter precipitation out of this, it would be Friday or Saturday with this Arctic blast, because this is a strong Arctic blast. And you can see there, we'll see where we are. We could be anywhere from the 20s on Friday to the 40s, depending on how that front sets up. But on Saturday, the cold air is going to come in, and it is going to struggle to get to 20 here. And you can see the system's kind of organized to the east, but not much of a storm anyway for us in our area. But we're going into the Arctic air, and on Sunday, a week from today, we will be plunged into it. We're going a high of 19, but that may be optimistic as we will be into the Arctic air. But then it will exit again as we go into the middle of next week, and it may go away for a while after the middle of next week. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. So as we take a look at the forecast for today, 37 at 3 p.m., but it's going to be windy. The wind chill will be in the teens. The Arctic front will come through right between about 6, 7, and 9 p.m., and you'll know when it does. The winds will swing around to the north. The temperature will really begin to fall. Might have a snow flurry or two down to 8 tomorrow morning. And yes, that will be a pretty cold morning with wind chills in the single digits or to around 10 below zero. And then in the afternoon, 0 to 10 above on the wind chill as temperatures get into the low 20s and the wind comes down, and we'll have some sunshine. On the super 10-day forecast, there's 37 today, 23 Monday, 40s on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then there's that cold stretch Friday through Sunday into Monday, maybe even Tuesday, and just a slight chance of snow. So a lot of cold fronts, a few warm fronts, but not much precipitation at this time. We'll still have to watch that Friday, Saturday time frame, because there's even some solutions that have a little bit of ice, and even if it's a little bit of ice, that can be a lot of problems. We'll worry about that later. We'll see how that all evolves as the week goes on. Have a great rest of your weekend and week ahead. Stay healthy.